Thank you. Maraming salamat, Marite, Panopio. Ano mo si Kaute sa kabilang Super Highway. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon, good evening to everybody, especially the newly inducted members of the board led by Vic Gamo. Congratulations, Vic, and to the other officers of the Merville Park Homeowners Association. And of course, congratulations also to the immediate past board led by now immediate past President Sharon Almonte and the other board members. We have done so well. We have accomplished so much, and this is now the challenge to the new board. As always, it is the vision that the new board must always aim to exceed the accomplishment of the previous board, and that is how it should be. Binabati ko rin po ang ating Mayor June Bernabe, who just came back from a round of inaugurating his own projects in the barangay. And I understand from the feedback that I got, pasensya na, hindi ko naka-attend because of my other obligations, napakaganda raw ng health center, yung bagong health center. Of course, I'm greeting also to the other local officials, Vice Mayor, the councilors who are here, and of course, ating barangay captain, the very energetic barangay captain, Glo Gutierrez, and the other kagawats who are here. Hindi na magpapanggit ng mga pangalan to make this pleasure. You know, it's always a pleasure to be relating with Merville Park. If I look back at my own personal history as congressman, Merville Park assumes a very important role because the first time I got elected as congressman in 1992, my opponent was from here in Merville Park, and I thought that I would lose in this barangay, but I won by an enormous margin here in Merville by almost a 2-1 margin. And I'd like to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Of course, this margin has always been repeated in all the elections that I went through in your barangay. And also, if I look back at my interaction with your leadership, nakalimutan ko na yung mga iba, no? But I remember names like Cynthia Norton, for example, and of course, Sharon Almonte. Yung mga big projects nyo, I was so happy that you made me a part of these big projects. Like for example, your gym here, the 2 wings have been, they asked me to join you in making this a reality. Kaya lumaki yung ating multi-purpose gym. Yung gate, panahon ni Sharon. Actually, yung dalawang wing na yun, isa, panahon yata ni Cynthia, and the other one, panahon ni Sharon, installment yung pagkagawa. Tapos yung gate was widened, made more beautiful because of the idea initiated by your leadership under Sharon and the other board members, and I was able to secure the funding for this. Yung creek, inayos natin, yung bridge, pinakas natin, and then yung gate, pinalapat natin. Kaya gumanda yung vista. Dati makipot. Pag pumasok ka ng Merville yung una, medyo makipot ng konti. But now, the gate has become more elegant because of the initiative of your association and funded by congressional fund na na-secure natin. And way back, noong unang problematic yung kalye rito, yung Merville Access Road all the way to Moonwalk, from the South Super Highway all the way to Moonwalk, because at that time, people in Pasay did not want to take any initiative because they said, Pasay na yan. Pero karamihan lumadaan, mga taga-Paranaque, hindi namin butante. Yung taga-Paranaque naman, sabi nila, technically hindi pwede. Kasi baka ma-technical kami dyan. Dahil we'll be funding a project that is outside the territorial jurisdiction of Paranaque. But after interacting with your association here, with the Moonwalk Association, and of course the officials then of Pasay, Sina Piwit Trinidad was the vice mayor, Mayor Coneta was the mayor at that time. We were able to arrive as a modus vivendi. The funding came from the congressman, and the implementation became a joint implementation of Parañaque and yung mga association and the congressman. Kaya nakakatuwa na naging parte ako ng inyong kasaysayan dito. And I hope that this is something that will continue. This is probably the most organized, one of the best organized communities in Parañaque. Dito, pag nagmo-motorcade ako pag panahon ng eleksyon, yung mga kasama ko magsasabi, nakatira mo ba dito? Kasi masyadong peaceful. Kasi halos wala kang nakikita ng mga tao sa kalye. Practically, no, walang aso. Definitely, wala. Not a single instance did I see a dog, a stray dog, on the streets of Mervyn. That shows you how peaceful and orderly the community is. And I would like to congratulate you. And I know that this is a vision that will be continued by Vic here. I have relatives here. Kanina nabanggit, siyempre nagbanggit kanina, si Attorney Ortiz yata, ang nagbanggit na yung tiya ko na si Ate Nati de las Alas is one of the grand old ladies of Mervyn Park. And talking of Attorney Ortiz, and again the other board members here, I would like to thank you also for encouraging me to file this bill that became one of the bills that resulted in finally amending the Senior Citizens Act to make it an expanded senior citizens law that restored the 20% discount after deducting the 12% earlier, naging 8% na lang, pero naibalik na. And I'd like to thank Attorney Ortiz and the other stalwarts of the senior citizens here in Melbourne Park for inspiring me and for encouraging me to contribute my very own here to become one of the principal co-authors of this law. So sa inyo po lahat, sa muli, maraming po salamat. And again, congratulations to the new leadership and congratulations to the past leadership. Salamat po.